Themis is a prominent goddess in Greek mythology, often associated with divine law, justice, order, and fairness. Her name is derived from the Greek word Themis, meaning law or custom, which speaks directly to her role as a personification of established principles and societal norms. As one of the Titans, she is a daughter of Uranus, the sky, and Gaia, the earth, and she holds a significant place in the Greek pantheon. Themis represents the balance and harmony necessary for the functioning of both the divine and mortal realms. In Greek myth, Themis is often depicted as a wise and impartial figure, sometimes shown with scales to weigh the actions of individuals, a symbol that is now universally associated with justice. Her role in mythology goes beyond merely overseeing human affairs. She was seen as a powerful force ensuring that cosmic order prevailed. Themis' significance is rooted in the idea that justice and order were not arbitrary but were fundamental laws governing both the gods and humanity. Themis' influence extends to both the divine and mortal spheres. As the goddess of divine law, she played a key role in the maintenance of the Olympian gods' order. She was often considered a counselor to Zeus, the king of the gods, offering him guidance on matters of justice and ensuring that the laws of the cosmos were upheld. Themis was integral in helping to establish the rules of hospitality, oaths, and proper conduct, which were crucial for both gods and humans in maintaining harmony and avoiding chaos. In addition to her role as a divine advisor, Themis is also known for her connection to the oracles of Delphi. According to some traditions, she was the original keeper of the oracle before it was handed over to Apollo. Themis, as the embodiment of divine law, was believed to have the ability to foresee the future and deliver prophecies that reflected the will of the gods. This connection to prophecy further cemented her as a figure of authority in matters concerning fate and justice. One of Themis's most important mythological roles is as a mother. She gave birth to several important deities, including the Horai, the goddesses of the seasons, and the Moirai, the fates, who controlled the destinies of both gods and mortals. Through her children, Themis played an active role in determining the fate of individuals and the seasonal cycles that governed the agricultural world. The Horai represented order and natural law, while the Moirai ensured that even the gods themselves were bound to fate. These relationships illustrate Themis's fundamental connection to the natural and moral laws that underpinned both divine and earthly existence. Themis also serves as a symbol of the idea that law and justice are not arbitrary but are instead intrinsic to the fabric of the universe. Her presence in Greek thought reinforced the belief that justice was not simply a human construct, but something inherent in the very order of the cosmos. She was not only a figure of law but also a protector of the natural balance, ensuring that both gods and mortals acted in accordance with the divine laws that govern them. In later philosophical traditions, Themis continued to symbolize justice, especially as it was understood by philosophers such as Plato and Aristotle. These thinkers saw her as an ideal representation of a just and orderly society, one where laws were based on universal principles of fairness rather than on the whims of rulers. Themis's connection to the divine order of the cosmos made her a revered figure, and her image persisted through history as a symbol of the ideals of justice and law. In conclusion, Themis stands as a central figure in Greek mythology, representing the divine law that governs both the gods and the mortals. Her impartiality, wisdom, and role as a counselor to Zeus make her a powerful symbol of justice and cosmic order. Through her connections to the fates, the seasons, and the oracles of Delphi, Themis's influence extended far beyond mere legal matters, encapsulating the idea that order, justice, and morality were deeply woven into the fabric of existence. Her legacy endures in the modern world as a symbol of the principles that uphold society, ensuring that fairness and balance remain at the heart of human endeavor.